Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have got a finish for you for the events that I have joined in with for January. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of a time lapse of me finishing that off and then we'll get into the review. So here we have my finished pink Piggy. I've been calling him Wilbur. He is from the Platinum collection at Diamond Art Studio UK. Sadly no longer available from there, but I will link my original unboxing of him up in the eye anyway so that you can see. It is from the very first release of canvases that they did, and now I would definitely like to purchase another canvas from them so that I can see how their quality has changed and how their kits have changed over the years since they first opened. So look out for another review of their kits in the near future. So as I said, this was for the January events. So the events that I submitted this for was the hashtag BigButts25, which is being hosted by the Dotty Crafter and Diamond Grandma, which was anything with a large buttock or that could suggest large buttocks. So this little piggy was perfect for that. Also, Dark and Creepy Diamond Painting and Crafty ishKristyn were doing the pink and black event. So I am very much team pink with this one. So that counts for their event as well, which is running throughout January. And then Sparkly Diamonds is running a year-long event for hashtag Asian themed DP along 2025. And because the pig features in the Chinese zodiac, this also counts. So I have submitted this as my January canvas entry for that event as well. So the only thing I didn't managed to do so far is finish up my whip for the Ease Your Whip into 2025, but I've still got that on the go and I've still got a few more days left in January. We're not done yet and I am confident that I can get it done. I have got, what's that, 3, 6, about 8 sections left maybe on that big whip, the time travel canvas. So you'll be seeing more of that in the future once that's finished. So back to Wilbur the Pink Piggy. For its size, which was, let me remind myself, does it say? It's a 30 by 30 and it's a true to size 30 by 30. I think it's pretty good. From a distance and through the camera, I think it looks really nice indeed. Up close, it's a little bit pixelated, but that's what you'd expect, particularly with this style of art being transferred into a diamond painting. But yeah, I think it's very cute. I think if I was going to change anything, I might have preferred it with a different colour background just to give some contrast so that the little piggy stood out a bit more. But obviously this is how the original art was designed and this is how it has been charted. I really like the way that it has dimensionality. You can really see through the camera the fact that you get this idea of the nose poking forward and then the pig going off into the background, which is really lovely. So on the whole, it was very good. Didn't have any issues with stick on the canvas. It was kind of confetti heavy, but I knew that going into it. Didn't run out of any colours, was nowhere near running out of any colours. Everything is fine and they were all pretty good quality. So particularly like the 310s, the blacks, which can often have a lot of trash, not a single piece of trash. So yeah, really good in that respect. Oh, got fluff on the canvas now. And yeah, this one will definitely be going up on the wall, being displayed somewhere, I think, in the house. But But yeah, so do let me know in the comments down below. Have you purchased from Diamond Art Studio UK? If so, what did you get? And what events have you been taking part in for January? Let me know. I would love to hear about them. And of course, if you want to share any of your progress pictures, you can come over to the Facebook group, which is the Crafty Coven, and you can share your creations there and in our messenger chat threads. I really don't have a lot more to say. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Please do go and support Roxy, that's the Dotty Crafter, as we finish up this month. She has been doing a live every Thursday night, and then at some point she will be doing prizes for the event, one of which I am providing. It's a piece of my artwork on a mug. So yeah, do get yourself over to her channel, make sure that you're subscribed in order to be eligible to win that. Yeah, so I'm going to leave this here. Thank you so much for joining me. Please do support the channel by liking, sharing, subscribing if you haven't already, and consider supporting the channel more directly by becoming a channel member or patron. It is just 99p per month, and I will send you some stickers. So until next time, stay crafty. Dark and creamy, oh my goodness, words. And crafty ishKristyn.